Lot 202, the 1953 Jaguar XK120 Drophead Coupe. The rarest of the three body styles, this one is magnificent in an elegant shade of birch gray over red leather with white wall tires and spats. Now with only 60,000 miles showing on the odometer, this was the first car purchased by the consignor, who was a high school senior back in 1971. A very charming 120. He bought this when he was still in high school. And since our catalog went to print, ladies and gentlemen, this car actually won its class at the Forest Grove Concours d'Elegance as well. Lot 202 is the XK120 Drophead Coupe.
Thank you very, very much. It is absolutely stunning. I was looking at that wooden dash is quite something on this car, ladies and gentlemen. Again, no reserve and here to be sold. So what should we say, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to open the bidding here at $50,000. We'd like to start me, thank you sir, 50,000 I have. At 50,000, well I have 60 now. 60 now. At 50 here, 60,000 on my right. Thank you very much. At 60,000, do I have 70 now? At $60,000 only, do I have 70? 70,000, thank you. In front of me, 80 now. 80,000, thank you. 80,000, 90 if you like. I've got $80,000 then. Do I have 90 anywhere? Well, I'm selling on my right, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely, 85,000. Right here on my left, 85,000. Do I have 90 from either of you? We're at 85,000, 90,000 in the front row, and 5 against. 5 again, 95,000, 100 now. Well, at 95,000, it's on my left here, and it's going all the way at 95,000. You're out on my right at $95,000. 100,000. Thank you very much. At 100,000, it's against you, sir. We're just at $100,000. Thank you. 105. Back in with me at 105,000. What should we say, Mr. Rose? 110,000. Thank you. Back in again at 110,000. But you look so disappointed, sir. And we're only at $110,000. Pocket money for you and me, surely. At 110,000. Should we add another 5,000 for good luck? They're all encouraging you, sir. This is a team effort. Why not? Okay then, 115 then. 115, 120. Sorry, 105. I apologize, 105, 110. 110, yes, thank you. 10,000 back in then. At 110, do I have any advance at 110,000? 115 again? Nope. Well, 110, it's going on my right. At $110,000. It's going for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. It's going for the second time. If I have no better bid, it's just $110,000. Are we all done? All finished? Last chance at $110,000. Sold your car, $110,000. Can I get your number, Don? 8550. I have a visitor.